Hi, I'm Ellie Wainwright. I'm one of the biodiversity officers for Denbighshire County Council. In Denbighshire, we take a local provenance approach to our wildflower meadow project. So that means that we don't bring seed in from outside of the county. All of our meadows are local provenance, so local to Denbighshire, and all of the seed that we collect from them, we grow on at our tree nursery to create our wildflower plug plants, which then get planted back into our meadows. So that means everything is local, everything is native. So red clover, for example, so this red clover has been grown from seed collected in Denbighshire, and that means it is local to this area, it's adapted to this area, and it'll have the genetics, which means it's most likely to thrive here. Whereas if you compare it to red clover grown in the south of England, for example, that would have different genetic variability adapted to different conditions. So our wildflower seed is most likely to thrive when we plant it out here. The other benefit of local provenance means that we keep the genetic diversity of our wildflower plant species across the UK. So we'll have the genetics from our Denbighshire population and the genetics from Yorkshire and the south of England. And that means that the species as a whole has more genetic variability across the UK, is more robust, and is better able to deal with the changing conditions that climate change might bring.